To install Eclipse, you need to go to eclipse.org/downloads. Then you have this option, Get Eclipse IDE 2021-12 version. To install, you need to go to Download Packages. If you are in an Intel-based x86 64-bit processor, you can click on this download button. Otherwise, you need to go to the Download Packages to get the appropriate download package for your operating system. I'm on MacOS and on the Apple Silicon AR 64-bit architecture. So I'll choose this particular version. In case you are Windows or you are in Linux, then you choose the appropriate operating system and the architecture. Now I click on this button to download the file, and the download it will point you to various mirror locations, mirror servers where you can download. You choose the nearest mirror and click on the download button to download the file, and this will take you some time. You can just ignore this is thank you for your download, and then you can place this in any of your download locations, and then you're ready to install. Now once your package is download, you will be able to see this in your you will be able to see this in your download location. And if you open the package, once your Eclipse archive is downloaded, you can open it from your download location, and then you will see something like this. You need to simply drag this Eclipse icon to the applications folder, and then you will have this copying files to applications progress bar. And then once all the files are extracted to applications folder, you are ready to execute this. So now I will close this, and I will see this Eclipse icon in my directory, and then I can double click this to install this and run it on my system. So first time it will do a lot of configuration, and then it will ask you to create a workspace. So now I got my Eclipse IDE launcher. It's asking me a directory for creating the workspace. I just choose the default one and say launch. And now once I launch it, it will ask me to continue. It's saying older workspace version was written with an older, continue and update the workspace with older versions. Okay, I'll say continue because I don't want to use any of the older Eclipse IDE version. So it will prompted me to update the workspace, and then I will see this get open. I can close any projects, and I'm ready to use the Eclipse IDE. So let me now verify whether the Java is working properly or not by creating a new project. I will create a new project from this place, and then I will just click Java project, and then I will choose any versions. So it gives me a lot of options to choose from various versions, and I need to configure now the Grail VM. So configure JRE, I'll go to this option, and then I see here install JREs and install compilers, and within the compilers you have various options. And if you want to add a preference synchronization, and okay, I can just close this. This is for preference synchronization. I've switched it on. And then you have export and import of the preferences. So execution environment, and I can see various execution environment which is supported. Now to configure So I'll go again to the preferences. I should see the Graal VM execution environment, but I'm right now not able to see this. So let me see what is Java build path and user library. Okay, so compilers, building, errors. Okay, no, so compiler will search for Java. So yes, when I clicked on the Java virtual machine part, I can choose the Graal VM Enterprise Edition. So what is this? Expand to preference to for specific. So again, I can go to installed, compiler, building, and then it's all about install GREs, execution environment. And in this, if I say Java SE17, these are the environment details. And then I say apply.